Hey guys, it's Sheldon here. I'm going to be doing a quick video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a drink called Something Fruity. It was a drink I threw together one night because people kept asking me, hey, make me something fruity, make me something fruity. So I made something I thought would be fruity and it turned out well. It's going to use 4 different liquors, 2 vodkas, and blue carousel and melon. And then it's going to have pineapple juice, orange juice, and cranberry juice. So let's get that started. Start with your glass. The 2 vodkas I'm going to use is pineapple and grape. With those 2, we're going to use the small half of the jigger. Just do half, fill it up, then grape. Then we're going to go melon, which is also half. All 4 liquors are going to be half shots. Throw that on top. Then you want to start with your mixers. I do pineapple first. Do about a third. Go to your orange juice. Do about a third. And then your cranberry juice. Throw that on top. So this, you can throw, I usually throw oranges on top. I don't want to cut any more oranges. I went through a lot tonight. So what this drink will look like when you first make it, it's just kind of wavy. And what's nice, it doesn't look good after you shake it. Give it a couple shakes. I don't do a hard shake with this one. Now you can kind of see why I don't shake it too often. It kind of starts looking like a kale drink. But this drink is really good. It's real sweet, very fruity because you know it has like 5 different types of fruits in it. Put your garnish on top, and there you go. You got a drink I made up called Something Fruity. I'm gonna drink this while I do the next section of my video. So I can get home. So I'm gonna do a couple Flair tricks for you guys, kind of walk you through how to do it. You can pick these up at Amazon. It comes in a 3-pack. You get 6 of these rubber pourers, and then you get 6 of the metal pourers, like so. And it's a great investment. I think I spent, it was like right at $30 to get all that, which pourers are expensive anyways. So getting that and 3 practice bottles is just absolutely amazing. I haven't tried showing you guys how to do tricks yet because I haven't really learned where to place my camera, and I did just order a camera set with a microphone and a light so you can actually see me better. Talking about light, I'm turning on the light. Probably doesn't help too much. It is like 2:30 a.m. Alright, so what I'm going to do, this is empty. See? Empty. And it doesn't break if you drop it, which is nice. So the first trick I want to show you guys is just the basic flip. Just the basic flip. So I grab it by the neck of the bottle. Grab real hard with your thumb and your pointer finger and just wrap your rest of your fingers down. So what you're going to do is when you got water in it, you're going to do a little motion back to get that momentum going, and then just flip it like so. You want to let go about halfway. So what that looks like, it's like that. Let the neck of the bottle just go right back to where you landed. Do this a bunch. Do it over and over again. Might be loud. I got my ring on. So do that. Go with your left hand. Switch hands. I haven't warmed up today, so this is first flipping the bottles tonight. And just do it back and forth. Don't be scared to drop if you drop it. Oh no, I dropped something. Woo. Make mistakes. Only way you're going to learn how to do tricks is if you make mistakes. I've been flipping bottles for a little bit, not crazy amount of time. But just last night, I was flipping a bottle of sea ice. I dropped it. Don't practice at the bar. Not while we have people here. I had 5 people here and I shattered it. They got a good laugh. I did not get a good laugh. Next thing I want to show you guys is a flat back toss. The flat back toss, start with the empty bottle. I don't use the metal one when I practice, just because I try new tricks. I try like flipping behind my back, and those metal pours, when they hit you, it hurts. It does not feel great when that happens. I gotta shut this TV off. I can see it reflecting back and it's throwing me off. So with a flat back toss, what you want to do, make sure I'm in camera view, is kind of do like the 2-finger gun thing. Grab downwards. You want your 2 fingers to be on the neck of the bottle, or right at the base in the neck of the bottle. What you're going to do is when you go behind your back, it's going to be hard to see. Go behind your back, get that momentum going. Right about here, you want to push off with those 2 fingers. You don't want to flip it. You don't want flips when you're doing a flat back. You want to go and push up and catch. What that'll look like is something simple. Just do this a few times. I flipped it. If you don't put enough forward momentum on, it's going to flip like that. So you want to push up. Like I said, drop it. Mistakes do happen. It's all right. You drop it, pick it back up, and just do a few more practice runs. Switch hands. Just do it till you feel comfortable. What I did was I went outside with the empty glass bottle and practiced in my backyard. Doing it in the backyard, you drop it in the grass, it's not going to shatter, but you're going to feel the difference. Sea ice in this bottle, it's similar. They weigh about the same. I'm used to flipping it with water now, or liquor in it as well. So flipping a bottle feels different. Next thing I want to show you, I know, a lot of information. So we got the basic toss, grab at the base, thumb, finger, wrap down, just flip, catch, flip, catch. Just let it smooth. Start out, don't try watching the bottle with your head. They'll disorient you. What I do, it's gonna be hard to tell, I'm gonna face away for this. When I look at the bottle, I'm looking right here. I'm not looking at the bottle itself, I'm kind of looking at the side of it. So like, I make a little low, make a point, but I'm looking at the camera, look away. I just kind of go up real quick, see at the peak, and look back to what you're going at. Next thing I want to show you guys is a stall. I can't stall with these anymore. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys with this. What a stall is when you toss the bottle, catch it with your hand. Balance it on your hand. Super simple. You can move it, and then just kind of practice dropping it. Dropping it.